Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox a blood glucose monitor Counter Plus One. Just to see the box here. Wireless meter and system. Easy to use meter. Bluetooth smart system. You could connect this device with your smartphone and all the data is stored in your smartphone. Just you see the rupees here, 1599 is here, but I have purchased it 1049, that is 1049 rupees only, and my purchase link will be given in the description box later. Easy to use. Just a small blood is enough to measure your glucose level in the blood. And one thing I would inform you that it's for the first time I'm going to opening this type of glucose meter, because in this present scenario I think the patient who have glucose in their level high, they should not go to any diagnostic center for safety. It is better to do at home, and this is why I am going to opening this box today. Just now I am going to unseal the box now. One by one, I am just getting out from this box here. And you see, just keep the box aside. All these are documentation. This is the user manual. You could read it at first. Guidebook is also there. This is for warranty. You have to connect with this company through SMS or call or net. All these documentations. Here is a bag, very handy and very small bag. Just to see the bag here. And just keep the bag aside. This is the puncture tools. The needles is here, kept here. Just to see, all the needles have been given free of cost. And here is the strip, 25 strips is given with the box. and ultimately this is the machine I am going to open. Oh my god, this is very handy, very small one. Just see the look here. Just you see, very small. It is fit in your pocket very easily. And this is the hole. You put the strip, and this is the bottom. You control from here. Here is a light signal, green, orange and red, which will indicate your present glucose level in your blood. And very small one. This monitor has been on. Just you see the monitor here. And if my video helps you, please press the like button and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.